Did you know you can travel the world without leaving the comfort of your home? Hi everyone, my name is Chris Bludorn, and on this channel I share travel tips and destination ideas. But today I want to share an inexpensive way to travel the world from your living room, and that's with Amazon Explore. What is Amazon Explore, I hear you say? Amazon is now offering various live one-on-one experiences with English-speaking hosts located around the world. I'll leave a link in the description so you can check it out, but for now, let's explore a little together. As you can see, when you first land on the page, some of the top experiences are listed, and then scrolling down the page, you'll see experiences listed by region. Let's visit Asia. Ooh, and let's look at this one. Travel through Tokyo on a traditional rickshaw. Now, I was stationed in Japan, but I didn't get to experience this. Alright, so once you click into the experience, as you can see, you have two options. A group session up to 7 people, which is less expensive, and a private session, which is one-on-one with your tour host. I'm going to click on the private session. Then you can just select your date, time, and book your session. In the description, it tells you about your tour you've selected. So in this one, you'll virtually ride on a traditional rickshaw through Asakusa, which is the oldest neighborhood in Tokyo. You'll even be able to hop off the rickshaw and virtually walk through the Asakusa Temple. I bet that's beautiful. And you don't need any special equipment either. You just need to be on a laptop or a desktop. Down here, you can read about the person or company that is presenting the tour. But here's the best part. You can use a camera icon to take pictures virtually. And even though it's a one-way video, meaning your host can't see you, so you can do this in your pajamas if you choose, but it is a two-way audio, so you can activate the external speaker so your host, as well as anyone near your host, can hear you. And you can also point and click on things that interest you to let your host know you'd like to know more about it. I just think this is so neat, and I can see it being used by people who can't travel or just don't feel comfortable traveling right now. I also think it's a great tool if maybe you're trying to decide if you want to visit a certain destination. What do you think? Leave me a note in the comments and tell me whether you'd be interested in taking a virtual tour of another state or country. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel as I post travel-inspired videos every week. Now let's go back to the home page. I almost forgot to mention that at the time of this taping, some of the experiences are 50% off and others are 30% off for Father's Day. Most of these are already not very expensive, but saving a little money is always great to me. On the left-hand side, the experiences are listed by the type of experience you're looking for, and underneath that are all the locations. Let's look at some of the other experiences offered. If you're into cooking, you can learn to cook pasta with the Toscana Mia sisters in Italy, or make sushi and miso soup with experts in Japan. Or if you like nature and the outdoors like I do, you can get up close and personal with the wild animals in Costa Rica at the Toucan Rescue Ranch. You can feed deer at Japan's Nara Deer Park, and you can even search for dolphins and other marine life with a professional marine biologist. And that's not all. If you're creative and you love to shop, you can design your own hand-painted leather sandals from Barcelona. The shoes and free shipping are included in this experience. Or if you just like to shop, there's a variety of shopping experiences. Look at this one. You can join a family-owned store for a virtual tour of their studio and browse leather bags and accessories from famous Italian brands. You can also purchase many of the items you see during your experience. So once the session is over, your host will ship your purchases directly to you. The shipping will be extra, as you won't be able to use Amazon Prime since you're purchasing directly from a store and not from the Amazon site. I hope you've enjoyed learning about Amazon Explore. It's still very new, so I can't wait to see how this develops over time. I just think it's amazing that we've gone from virtual reality to, well, virtual reality. Until next week, stay safe and remember, travel is life.